Bitch, it's over. It's over. Look at her. She's a flaming hot Cheeto.
Period.
Ooh, this is my shit.
Let me hear you say, hop back, hop back, 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 hop back, 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 hop back, 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 hop back, 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 I heard that you were talking shit.
Hi Primas, what is up, what is new, what is shit poppin'? Welcome back over to another YouTube video. So Primas, in today's video we have a little exciting review. I'm honestly super excited to try this product out. Today we are trying Magic Lashes. Now I know what you guys think, Peter, what's new about Magic Lashes? Everyone's trying Magic Lashes. No, skinny girl, when I mean these are magic, I really truly mean these are legit Magic Lashes. Anyway, Primas, I'm extremely excited for this video and I cannot control my excitement. So without further ado, Primas, sit back, relax, grab some snacks, and let's get on with this video. Alright, Primas, if you can tell, my face, eyebrows, everything's already put on. I'm honestly just missing eyeshadow and lashes. Thank you so much to Viciley Cosmetics for partnering with this video and sending me over this Magic Lash Kit. I cannot wait to try it out. 5 years and dedicated research made the liner happen. They honestly call it magic, but we can call it whatever we want. There's actually a solid science behind the magic liner and Magic Lashes. Bitch, I don't know this word. Bitch, what is this word?
Copolymer propylene glycol. Copolymer propylene glycol.
Copolymer propylene glycol do the trick and help make the lashes stick together. And always, the kit will be down below in my bio. This Magic Lash Kit actually comes with 3 pairs of eyelashes, magic liner, tweezers, and mascara. If you can tell, I actually have no mascara on, so I'm actually really excited to try out their mascara and see if I'm actually in love with it. The instructions are: shake the eyeliner before use, apply the magic eyeliner along your lash line and let it dry, curl your natural lashes to apply the mascara, put on Magic Lashes. It's literally 4 steps. It's super simple. They claim that they are gorgeous, lightweight, and comfortable eyelashes for all occasions, smudge-proof, waterproof, and gentle eyeliner for all skin types, long-lasting, crimp-free, and volumizing mascara for all eye shapes. I'm freaking excited. I cannot wait to try these out. If you primas or primos or MUAs and you guys love playing with makeup and just struggle with putting on eyelashes on, maybe these lashes will do the trick for you. And they actually have multiple styles online. I just literally picked what I thought was the most dramatic and my most favorite, and this is the style Diamond. And look how cute this is. I love the velvet. Can we just get a look at this? Oh, that is so cute. Like they said, it actually comes with 3 pairs of lashes. Shake the eyeliner before use and push down the tip of this. So I think you have to push this down. Okay, and that actually activates it. Then shake the mascara. Oh no. Oh my god, Primas, did this review come to a fail? Oh no. So you gotta give it a couple of shakes just for like the liquid to finally start pulling out of the tip. It did take a while to figure it out and it was kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie, but it is magic liner like they say, and it is really smudge proof. This is not coming off. Pretty much, I was terrified. I was like, girl, this review just turned really bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do a soft little subtle eye look for you guys today. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out the outer edge just with a little brown, just so I can give it that little Hollywood glam. Ooh, that's cute. Now to take this look over the top and to finish it all off, I need lashes. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little wing with this mascara. Now you can see that the tip is actually all black, and I'm actually super excited about that because y'all already know I was really scared about before. Ooh, bitch, that is black. That is black, black, black. It's so pretty. Now, I'm actually a really big fan of the tip. I definitely like how precise you can get the liner and how easy it's actually really good and how easy it is just to glide on. Ooh, bitch, I'm not the best at eyeliner, but this is what we got. This is really cute. Who am I lying? This is not the best eyeliner I've ever done, let me tell you. This is actually pretty raunchy, but I'm gonna fix her. If you already know, y'all can go ahead and go clean up your eyeliner with just some concealer. Wow, that is such a pretty freaking wing. So cute. Oh my god, that is such a good wing. Now to finish off this look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of their mascara, and I'm actually really excited to try their mascara out. So let's go ahead and crimp my lashes. Usually after I go ahead and crimp my lashes, some eyeliner usually falls off, and this one is actually like staying intact, which is actually I'm really excited about because I think I just found my new favorite liner. Going in with their mascara. They're clump-free mascara. It's really thick. Now let's go ahead and try on this lash. Now this is the style Diamond, and I'm gonna honestly try out the one in the bottom just because I really want to see if these work. They definitely automatically just stick on. Like, that is crazy. No glue necessary. They literally just pop on. That's crazy. Okay, primas, I'm gonna definitely do this eye off camera and I'll be right back. Wow, primas, me parece bien perra, huh? Es una perra de mal, period. Oh my god, I'm actually super shook at how well these actually worked. I'm honestly more impressed, not with the lashes, but with the liner. The liner was actually super easy to use and super bomb. I definitely was a big fan of the liner.
The lashes look good. Are those ones you showed me?
Yeah, no, yeah. They're different, huh?
They look a lot more different outside of the box. They're so pretty.
They're like super pretty. Like they're like super natural, nothing too crazy.
Okay, that's the thing though. They're dramatic because they're long, but they're natural because they're like wispy.
Yeah, like I actually like them. And then with like the look, like it like just tops
so
it off,
good.
right? Like what do you, I know the liner's kind of a little fucked up just because I'm not really like the
but
best
it's good. Yeah, I know.
at liner, as you can tell. I mean, I don't really do great eyeliner, but everything else is just amazing. I'm living for this look. It's really pretty.
It is.
It's super natural. I have not worn super natural lashes in a minute, and these are actually.
You don't do natural.
Yeah, like I don't do natural lashes. Like all my lashes are super extra.
Your natural
super
ones go to me, your mom.
Bitch, like look at this. Like these are my fucking natural lashes.
Look at two lashes stacked on each other.
They are. It's hilarious. Alrighty, primas, this completes the finished look. What do you guys think of these lashes? Do you think they're really pretty? I'm actually really in love with the very natural feel to them. I actually like the fact that they just stick on magically, like without magnets. But I am definitely in love with the lashes. The whole look is a vibe. This is giving me like super like glam, bougie. If you guys like these lashes and you guys want to test them out for yourself, definitely try out these magic lashes. They'll be linked down below in the bio for you guys. And without further ado, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, primas!
Nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real, purse, full, big bills, bitch, I'm a big